Hey guys, welcome back to my Discord bot Python tutorial series, and today I'll be teaching you how to install Pycord on repl.it because discord.py is dead. We cannot use it anymore. The developers are not developing on it anymore, and I'll be also teaching you about some events like this onReady event. Don't worry, Pycord is exactly the same as discord.py. It's just there are more features. Because it's a fork of discord.py, so it's basically the same. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, in order to install Pycord, you need to uninstall discord.py. So remove package. And wait for it to remove it.
2,000 years later.
And now it's uninstalled. Now we can go into the shell area. We can type this command. It's here. Pip install -u and then this link. It's a development version, so there are buttons and the fancy stuff, so it's better in my opinion. So we're gonna type this command and wait for it to actually install the development version of Pycord.
2,000 years later.
And now it's installed, the Pycord is installed. We need to actually do something else because repl actually changes machine from time to time, so you need to type this command like every time, so it's not efficient. So what we're going to do is write the version of the Pycord into the pyproject.toml file. So what we're going to do is type poetry, and then we're gonna delete the pip install part, so basically this part, and then type add. Now it's supposed to work. Don't worry, the install commands will be in the description, including my Discord server. Join right now or die tomorrow. Alright, it's finally finished writing the Pycord into poetry.lock and pyproject.toml. Now we can actually get into coding the event. So firstly, what is an event? Event is basically when something is triggered. Let's say this onReady event we already wrote on the first episode. It's basically when the bot is ready, it's gonna print out the bot is ready. So let's say we want to when a person joins a server, and then we send the user like welcome to the server or something like that. And there is actually an event for that. So it's called first write the tag. And async def on member join. That's the function name, and it takes an argument called member. So it means when a member joins, this event is going to be triggered. So what we write inside the function will be triggered when a member joins. Let's say we want the bot to send this message. The member name has joined the server, welcome, in this specific channel. So what we do is first get the channel ID, copy the ID. You need to enable developer mode first. If you don't know how to, there's a tutorial link below in the description. So what we do is create a variable called ID, actually channel ID equals the ID we just copied. And now we need to also copy the guild ID, which is a server ID. So right click on the server icon and then copy ID. Also, this is my server, a program's world. You can join whenever you want. You can ask any question if you have any question. So yeah, join the server. Now you copy the ID. You do an if statement. If member.guild.id equals the ID we just copied, and now inside the if statement we do await client dot get channel, and then the channel ID, and then dot send f string. Inside the f string we do so member dot mention has joined the server, welcome. And so what it basically means, if the member that joined is the server or the server you want, then we get the channel ID, get the channel, so it actually sends in the channel, sends in the welcome and goodbyes channel. That's because we need to enable something called intents. So we go to the developer portal. So this is called the developer portal. Yep. Go to applications and then the tutorial bot, and go to bot. I think it's bot. Yep. Under here we have something called privileged gateway intents. We need to enable both of them. Now save changes, and now we go back to repel and stop the bot, and we create a variable called intents equals discord dot intent dot o, and inside the client variable we specify the intents equals intents, the intents variable. And now when we run the program, actually let me leave the server first and run the program. The bot is ready. Now we join the server again. As you can see, it worked perfectly. So we can also do this to own member leave. So it's client.event. I'm gonna just speed this up because you already know how it works. So you can click on member leave. Member. It's basically the same thing. ID equals here, and if member.go.id equals this. Oh wait, client.get channel. And now we rerun the program and see if it works. Oh, it's because it's own member remove. Now we rerun the program. The program rerun. It's such a stupid joke. And we just join and leave again, see if it works. Join and leave. As you can see, it worked perfectly. Yay! And that's that's basically it for this video. Like, subscribe, join my Discord server if you have any questions. Also, just an announcement. My Discord bot is actually public now. You can you can invite my bot into your server. It's pretty cool. It has all those cool features. Like, I'm gonna just show you here. So many commands. I'm still developing on it, especially the custom help command. So if you are interested, you can invite. The invite link will be in the description. So yeah, that's basically it. Goodbye.